Microsoft Word 365 is one of the most essential tools for working, studying, and creating documents, and today we're taking a quick but complete look at what it can do. Whether you're writing school papers, preparing business reports, or creating simple everyday documents, Word 365 gives you a clean and powerful workspace that works on any device. Because it's part of Microsoft 365, everything you create can sync across your computer, phone, and tablet, so your files are always up to date wherever you go. When you open Word 365, the first thing you'll notice is the modern layout. The Home tab gives you everything you need to start: font choices, text formatting, alignment options, and styles that make documents look polished without extra effort. You can insert pictures, tables, shapes, charts, and even icons to make your work more visual and engaging. Word 365 also includes powerful tools like Smart Lookup, which lets you quickly research topics without leaving the document, and the Editor tool, which checks grammar, clarity, and writing style, almost like having your own writing assistant built in. One of the biggest advantages of Word 365 is collaboration. You can share your document with anyone and edit together in real time. You'll see their cursor, their comments, and their changes instantly, making group work and teamwork so much easier. Autosave also ensures that every edit is stored automatically, so you never lose your progress. And with cloud storage through OneDrive, your files are safe, accessible, and easy to organize. In short, Microsoft Word 365 gives you everything you need to write faster, work smarter, and create professional-looking documents. If you're just starting out or upgrading from an older version, Word 365 makes the writing experience smoother, smarter, and more connected. If you found this introduction helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials and productivity tips.